Okay, video number 2 on this Lafayette LA-69 mono tube integrated amplifier. I've now soldered on the 2 wires that came off the bottom of the tube there. I've unhooked the Sony speaker. We're now on this Lorenz.
I noticed you, girl, you were different by far. I held your hand as I walked you across the floor. You danced real close, you made me wanna dance some more. The evening went on, I was feeling real good. Can I see you again? She said it's understood. I met you again, and we held each other tight.
Very sweet.
Invited you home.
And as I said in the last video, it's only about 10 watts output, which is plenty.
I've been looking for someone just like you. It's been so long, I never...
Stereo RCA there into mono, 2 into 1.
You held me real tight and took off every car. You could have said something and saved me.
It's very lifelike. Save me all this pain.
I thought we were good.
I wanted to see you again. Well, I'm out of tune.
Baby, again. I've been looking for someone.
This is a 1962 amplifier, I believe, and it's in remarkable condition. Very pretty with the cover on top. There you have it, all working. So obviously FedEx, UPS bought this one, heavy-handed as usual, but it was well wrapped. But surprisingly, the guy left the tubes in there, which I'd have taken them out and labelled them and sent them in a little box. Anyway, they survived the journey, so quite amazing, really. So there you have it. Very sweet amplifier. Fixed.